KG series heaters, a breakthrough in the heating industry. The KG series heaters represent a knowledge-driven innovation engineered with precision and expertise. These patented products carry valid national and international certifications and approvals. Available in 3 models with heating capacities of 174 kW, 290 kW, and 350 kW, they are the ideal solution for rapid and efficient heating in poultry farms, warehouses, workshops, greenhouses, and other industrial or semi-industrial environments. Their distinctive engineering design featuring a detachable furnace and heat exchanger not only enhances safety but also simplifies maintenance while boosting thermal efficiency to over 94%. These innovations have established the KG series among the world's leading industrial heating systems. The KG150 and KG250 models are produced in 2 versions, with axial fan or centrifugal fan, and feature an integrated furnace heat exchanger and combustion system, eliminating the need for an external burner. Quick and easy installation on a base or suspended from the ceiling. Separate combustion air intake in KG150 and KG250 models enables indoor installation without emissions. A dedicated safety enclosure for the control panel and burner enhances portability, simplifies servicing, and maximizes safety. Wheel versions available upon request. The KG300 model employs a separate burner. Its intelligent front placement creates a counterflow structure, maximizing efficiency. An advanced safety system featuring a dual-relay digital thermostat, emergency thermal cutoff switch, and multiple control sensors ensures safe and reliable operation. The heaters can also be integrated with industrial automation systems. Rugged design with long service life. Rapid uniform heating in the shortest possible time with a powerful aerodynamic fan. Modern, attractive design with low noise, optimized performance. Available in gas, diesel, and dual fuel versions. Compatible with both single-phase and 3-phase power supplies. KG series heaters, power, innovation, and quality. For more information about these advanced heating systems, contact the sales engineers at KGY. We've got you covered.